This 4-hour gourmet tour of Athens starts when you meet your private guide in Monastiraki Square. Together you'll explore the neighbourhood around Varkakios Agora, famous for its cafes, street food and bakeries. Head into a centuries-old cafe to taste your first speciality of the day, koulóuria. A traditional Greek breakfast item, koulóuria is crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Over the course of the tour, your guide will help you discover the secrets of Greek cuisine and let you eat your way through the city's culinary heritage. Next, you'll try loukoumades. Unlike any donut you've had before, they are doused with syrup and sprinkled with cinnamon and walnuts. Then head to the bustling meat and produce market of Varkakios Agora. After browsing the stalls, you'll taste traditional Greek coffee brewed in front of you. Follow your guide to out-of-the-way specialty food stores to try local produce including wine, fresh cheese, organic olive oil and honey. Finish your tour with a stroll down every produce street and enjoy a final tasting from food stalls that have been serving their delicacies since the early 20th century. Athens is the birthplace of some of the most delicious flavours in the world, and on this tour you'll taste them all.